hot, hot, hot. But we can't wait any longer. Look how soft, fluffy, and fine this pie is. It's great even the next day. I begin the preparation by making a coating for the layers. In a bowl, I add 1.5 cups of flour, 300 milliliters, as this cup is 200 milliliters in size. Next, I add 1 cup of oil, 2 whole eggs, 1 level tablespoon of salt, 10 grams of baking powder. Now I gently mix everything. As I mix, I gradually add 300 milliliters of water, or 1.5 cups. Mix everything well to remove lumps and make it smooth. The consistency you need is about the thickness of yogurt. Next, I prepare the filling, adding 500 grams of cheese. Here, I've used 250 grams of feta cheese and 250 grams of cottage cheese. I add 1 egg to the cheese and just a little salt. Enough since soft cheese isn't salty, while feta is quite salty. Now I mix everything together. The filling is ready. Pour a little oil into a round pan and spread it evenly with a brush. The pan is 28 centimeters in diameter and I've used 2 tablespoons of oil. We'll also need 1 package of thin dough sheets. Take the first sheet and coat it with the mixture prepared earlier. Place the second sheet on top and coat that one as well. Don't hesitate to apply generously. The mixture will soften the sheets, making them juicy and easy to roll later, and ensuring they fold without breaking. Next, add the filling. Distribute it evenly so there's enough for all the sheets. We'll roll the sheets 2 at a time. Transfer them into the pan. Now, we'll repeat this process. Feel free to press the whole pie down firmly like this. This is the second to last part, which we'll place here. Now, I'll make space for the last part. Push everything aside with your hand. The last part will use 3 sheets. I've used all the cheese, all the sheets, and there's a little mixture left, which you should also keep. You'll likely have some left too. We'll coat the entire pie on top at the end. Adjust everything slightly with your hands. Now we'll make a final coating. To make the coating, I add an egg and a little salt to the leftover mixture. Mix it all together. Once mixed, I'll coat the whole pie. After coating, I'll let the pie sit briefly. You can do it this way too. Once coated, leave the pie to absorb while preheating the oven. Set the oven to 200 degrees Celsius to heat up. Place the pie in the preheated oven to bake. The pie is baked. Baking time was 40 minutes. Now we'll flip it onto a plate. Listen to that crunch.